With cold and flu season in full effect, one of the best things you can do is run a humidifier. This makes such a difference with putting moisture back in the air to help with all kinds of ailments during this time. So I'm going to show what this one looks like coming out of the box. So I've got this out of the box, and the humidifier has a removable area to put the water in. It has a rather large, and I like that the water tank part is removable. It even has a little handle here, which makes it easy. And then you're gonna put your lid back on once you get that all set up. It even comes with a remote control. So I've got this plugged in here, and I'm going to show the different settings. So I've got this thing going, and it is really pumping out lots and lots of humidity. It is super quiet. It even has a sleep button here, which also turns off your screen so that it's not distracting. You can adjust your mist level here. It has 3 different mist levels. In addition, it has a timer button, and you can switch it from 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way up to 8 hours. It also has a sterilize function, and then you can also control all of these things here with the remote control. This is really easy to use, easy to operate, and just a great way to adjust the humidity in your air.